Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be kind of short, but I just wanted to film myself making this ombre set that I did. So let's just get into it. Okay, so first things first, I just want to let you know I got this airbrush machine from iGel Beauty. I got it on sale. They're always having sales, so look out for that. But I mixed some black polish with acetone, and then this is how you're supposed to clean an airbrush machine. You push it up against a paper towel and let it bubble up, but I do that to kind of get the blockage out. So I started with that, and then I went ahead and went in with the machine. I went in with about 2 or 3 coats of this black from DND. It's Black Ocean. And afterwards, I went in with my liner brush from Beetles, and I went in and made my French tips. As you can see, the way I do my French tips, I start with a line on both sides, kind of making like a V shape as if I were doing V-tip nails, and then I just perfect that curve in the middle. So I'm not a one-line French type of girl. I've done it before. Sometimes I can do it, sometimes I can't, but this is how I do mine most of the time. And then I go in with my actual gel polish brush and I fill it in. Then I go in with the liner brush to get rid of the streaks. And depending on what base I'm using under or what white polish I'm using, sometimes I can get it all done in one go so that I don't have to go back in with the liner brush. But this time, since I was doing it on top of a black and I was gonna go in with a cat eye gel on top, I just did 1 coat of white on the French tips. And this white polish that I'm using is the shade White from Bio Seaweed Gel. It is a good white. It's very, I don't know how to explain, like a bright white, I guess you could say. But it's not very good for French tips because you do have to go over it 2 times. Next, I went in with this gold cat eye gel from, it's a brand, I think it's Lanfo, L-A-N-F-O, from Amazon, but I'm not sure they sell it anymore because when I go to the link, it takes me to a completely different product. So I'm sorry if that's not the correct link, but it's the link that I have. I go in with this gold and just go right over the white that I applied and dried, and then you'll see me use my magnet in a second. It's so pretty. Now the second to last step is of course to apply the top coat. This is a top coat from Kupa, and the actual last step is to file the tips of all the nails so that they can look crisp and clean. Now we've reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you recreate this, please tag me and please leave a like on this video and subscribe. Bye!